So can you tell the difference between a qualified career counselor and somebody who is not a qualified counselor? How will a
So,
parent know?
yeah, if I talk about myself, I did my certification from 5 places as a career counselor itself. I'm working hard towards children's success. So I did one from UCLA Extension, California, USA, one from Univerity, Global Career Counseling, and then one from ICCC as an international career coach. And then I've done abroad admission coach, triple CIS, and double CA, also career analyst. So I've done all the certifications to have depth knowledge of the careers, as well as analyzing the reports, which is most important thing for any career counselor. So you asked, how will the parent know that which is a trained career counselor and which is not? So you can, check out on which type of psychometric assessment they are doing. Are they doing 5 dimensional or 4 dimensional or 3 dimensional or 6 dimensional? Accordingly, you can check on first thing. Second thing, you can ask a lot of questions before joining or, going to them. You can ask about their performances, what they have done so far, and how many people they have, helped. And one more thing, are they academic counselors or they are actually career counselors? So because there are
Okay.
so many people who are saying career counselors themselves, but they are academic counselors. So that is the main thing you have to, ask them. So college admission is a part of career counseling, I would say. Academic counselors are not a good or bad thing. Okay, so they are just referring you to the universities. But which is the
Okay.
best suitable course for you? Firstly, you have to know that. So here,
Okay.
career counselor actually works with you.
So you mean to say that career counseling and educational counseling is actually two different aspects of it?
Yes. So I would say there are two different sides of a coin. Yeah.
Okay.
So academic counselors who are in school, they are psychologists. They actually work with the
Okay.
mental health or if there is some disorder or something. But career counselor do their assessment for careers only. Okay. So they
Okay.
will be suggesting you careers only, and they have a depth knowledge of all the careers which are possible in today's world. So this is a
Okay.
difference.